Nha Trang is a coastal city located in southern Vietnam, known for its beautiful beaches and vibrant tourism scene. The city is often called the Pearl of the South China Sea due to its stunning seaside scenery. Nha Trang boasts a tropical climate with warm temperatures year-round, making it an ideal destination for sun seekers. The city's history dates back over 2,000 years, with ancient Cham temples still standing as historical landmarks. The Panagar Cham Towers, built between the 7th and 12th centuries, are among the most famous historical sites in Nha Trang. Nha Trang's seafront promenade stretches for several kilometers, lined with cafes, restaurants, and shops, perfect for leisurely strolls. The city is home to the Vin Pearl Land Amusement Park, which is accessible via a cable car that offers breathtaking views of the ocean. Nha Trang is renowned for its mud baths and mineral springs, which are believed to have therapeutic properties. The city has a lively nightlife scene, with numerous bars, nightclubs, and entertainment venues catering to tourists and locals alike. Nha Trang hosts several annual festivals, including the Sea Festival, which highlights the city's maritime culture and traditions. The city's diving and snorkeling spots are among the best in Vietnam, with coral reefs teeming with marine life just offshore. The Thap Ba hot springs and mud baths are popular attractions where visitors can indulge in relaxing spa treatments. Nha Trang's local cuisine features fresh seafood, with dishes like grilled prawns, fish hot pots, and seafood pancakes being local favorites. The city is home to a vibrant fishing industry, which has influenced its culinary traditions and local markets. Cam Ranh Bay, located near Nha Trang, is one of the best natural deepwater harbors in Southeast Asia. The Long Sun Pagoda, with its giant white Buddha statue, is a spiritual and cultural landmark in the city. Nha Trang is a hub for water sports, including jet skiing, parasailing, and windsurfing, thanks to its consistent sea breezes. The city's Linh Phuc Pagoda features intricate mosaics made from glass, ceramics, and porcelain, showcasing impressive craftsmanship. Nha Trang has a thriving art scene, with local galleries and street art reflecting the city's cultural diversity. The city's markets, such as Dam Market, offer a wide range of local products, souvenirs, and fresh produce. Nha Trang's transportation infrastructure includes an international airport, making it accessible from major Asian cities. The city has numerous luxury resorts and boutique hotels, catering to a wide range of travelers. The nearby Han Mon Island is a protected marine area, famous for its vibrant coral reefs and clear waters. The city's nightlife often features live music performances, traditional Vietnamese dance, and cultural shows. Nha Trang is known for its stunning sunsets over the sea, attracting photographers and romantics alike. The city has several Buddhist temples and pagodas, reflecting its spiritual heritage and peaceful atmosphere. Nha Trang's coastal waters are a nesting ground for sea turtles, which are protected by local conservation efforts. The city's architecture blends traditional Vietnamese design with modern skyscrapers and resorts. The Nha Trang Cathedral, built during the French colonial period, is an example of Gothic Revival architecture. The city's educational institutions include several universities and technical colleges, fostering local talent. The local economy is heavily reliant on tourism, fishing, and hospitality industries. Nha Trang's vibrant street food scene offers a variety of snacks, from banh mi sandwiches to fresh fruit smoothies. The city is a popular destination for international tourists from Russia, China, Korea, and Europe. The Cham Islands, a group of 8 small islands near Nha Trang, are a designated UNESCO Biosphere Reserve. The city hosts international surfing competitions, thanks to its consistent waves and warm waters. Nha Trang's coastal waters are home to diverse marine species, including manta rays and colorful reef fish. The city's cultural scene features traditional music performances, including Ca Tru and Quan Ho. Several historical museums in Nha Trang showcase the city's rich history and cultural heritage. The city is known for its vibrant coral reef diving sites, which attract diving enthusiasts from around the world. Nha Trang's local markets often sell handmade crafts, textiles, and traditional clothing. The city's public parks, such as Louisiana Brewhouse Park, provide green spaces for recreation and relaxation. Nha Trang has become a popular destination for medical tourism, especially for dental and cosmetic procedures. The city's beaches are generally clean, with efforts made to maintain environmental sustainability. Nha Trang's nearby Dalat province offers a cooler climate and scenic mountain landscapes, often combined with visits to the city. The city has a growing ecotourism sector, focusing on conservation and sustainable travel practices. The Phat Ba Hindu temple complex reflects the city's historical religious diversity. The city's fishing fleet is one of the largest in Vietnam, with daily catches seen in local markets. Nha Trang offers boat tours to nearby islands, where visitors can enjoy secluded beaches and snorkeling. The city's local festivals often include traditional music, dance, and colorful parades. The city is investing in infrastructure improvements to support its growing tourism industry. The city's coffee culture is thriving, with many cafes serving Vietnamese iced coffee and local brews.